everyone, and welcome to the BNB Hack 2024 Q4 Top 10 Demo Day. Today, our judges are joining us from BNB Chain, Binance Labs, CoinMarketCap, Framework, MyShell, and ZK Graph. Thank you all for joining today. And during today's session, each project will have 10 minutes, which will be made up of a 5-minute demo and a 5-minute Q&A with the judges. So we have a lot to fit in, so please keep to the allocated time within your demos, and judges will do around 1 to 2 questions for each demo before moving along to the next one. So to kick off, we've got Sham, who is the co-founder of Agent Arcade. Sham, over to you.
Thank you everyone for having me. Now we are building Agent Arcade. With Agent Arcade, our goal is to create a full-fledged playground for all of these AI agents. Now, why we're building this, right? Because we have been seeing the phenomenal rise of AI agents, and on top of that, uh, most of the platforms out there they only allow users to create a singular kind of agents rather than the diverse cases. So we thought that agents should be something fun. It should be something the users should love to play around that. So we figured out that there are 3 categories where the users will have a lot of fun by creating them. The 3 of them are social influencer agents, the AI companions, and the game master agents. What does this do? I mean, most of you are must be familiar with social influencer and AI companions. Social influencer like Luna, which sells or AIXBT. AI companion more of a for one-to-one interactions based on your preferences, and these game master agents are something they will create a world for you by taking your input, and you can play a full-fledged RPG with them. Now, going forward, I will be jumping to demo, and this is the basic user flow. User comes in, it decides on what kind of agent it wants to create. It needs to describe this in few lines, and they need to they need to pay the deployment fee, which is in the platform tokens at the moment, and they can either chat and play with this or plug in into any interface which they like. The business case is simple. Agent will pay the creator fee, and we also will be taking a fixed share from all the transactions which are gonna happening. And also, by the way, we are building this very fun social influencer for BNB Chain. It's called Binabi. And a fun fact about this is not gonna be a regular chatbot using a laser or any framework. We have been, scraping all the data of Binance chain which is available. So we have already scrapped 100 plus Twitter accounts and more than 10,000 pages of website which talks about BNB. So make sure to give this a follow, and on the page of I will be updating on that. Now jumping into the quick demo of our platform. I can say this. So this platform, the user just needs to come here. They can see what all agents and games are already built over here. They just need to click on game. They can either play the game or they can click on create agent, choose game. Yes, I will say hack game. Once I click create game token, I just confirmed in my MetaMask transaction start happening. You can see all the creation process over here. You see that the token has been deployed, address, everything. So you can see the token has been deployed. Game has yet to be generated. So I need to give the theme of a game. So it's around and the goal is let's say to and antagonist is distraction. And you click on generate game world, you see that game generation starts happening. Everything is happening in the background. It takes some time. Okay, token is being created at the moment. So before that, I can show you some of the game before it comes out over here. That how does this work? So each game, I think, yes, I will show you the demo. So you can see I have already created a game, and it specializes in in civilization. I can just say start game. It will take this input. It will tell me about the background, what are the options which kind have, and how I need to start the game, and all of this. Also, the users, anyone can buy some tokens of this particular game over here, and the token can be interacted within the game itself. So basically, unlike other platforms, it's not two different products like the AI agent and the game token. Here in Agent Target, the both are mixed into one platform. So that's it. Thank you. Happy to answer any questions.
Thanks, Sham. Judges, any questions or comments?
Yeah, I have a question. So is the game prompt editable? So I didn't saw the option to add the game prompt on your demo, but is there any
Right.
plans to do that?
Yeah, yeah. Wonderful. So, not at the moment, because since we built it, during the time span of hackathon. So, at the moment, we are not giving the option to edit it. But actually, this is in the pipeline, and that is where it will make more sense. Yes, it will be editable when it goes live on minutes.
Awesome. Thanks for the answer.
Any other questions from the judges?
Just one question from my side. Which AI agent framework do you use?
I mean, we are using like not the one which are present out there. So, for games and everything, it's our own framework which we have in development. So it's built using LangChain, not Ariza.
Got it. Thank you.
All right. Any other questions?
What are the differences between of the different agents? It's a difference to just from the prompt or any other differences?
Right. So technically, if you see how most of the agents are being created, right? So these all frameworks they inject just the system prompt into a chatbot, right? So what we are basically doing is we are creating multi-agent systems in the background. So instead of having a singular prompt, they are having multiple prompts. Like the whole game world has a altogether different prompt on itself. The game actions has a different prompt on itself. The commands they are a different agent in itself. So whenever a user is interacting with the game master is taking the input of the user, sending it across all these three agents, combining the responses and then sending it back. So in this way, the responses which the code player is getting, it's much more engaging and much more better than having a user system prompt.
I see.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thank you.
All right, great. Thanks a lot, Sham, for sharing.
Yeah,
Moving
thank you.
on. Thanks. Moving on, we're going to hear from Brian from BNB Market, who has almost 20 years of experience in software development and a passion for the transformative possibilities of Web3 and AI.
Hello everyone, Brian here. So my hackathon project is BNB Market. BNB Market is a Web3 prediction market platform on the BNB Smart Chain. So we are able to trade outcomes of real-world events, and of course, everything is transparent and trustless on a decentralized blockchain with low transaction fees. And we will have a easy-to-use interface for participating in the predictions. And of course, people who participate in the predictions will be rewarded for accurate predictions. And this is open to anyone to use. Our features, so admin features, the admin is able to create market with two options, And the admin is also able to resolve the market as either option 1 or 2 or cancelled right now. We have a verified contract. Then the user features are that users are able to buy shares of either options, claim incentives if they win, and then also withdraw tokens if the market did not resolve to either one of the options. So our tech stack is JavaScript, Solidity. We did some integration with CoinGecko as well as Netlify and Superbase. Some screenshots of how it works, able to buy yes or no, able to see the current price, integration with a CoinGecko widget to see the price and chart. So also able to see the current shares owned by the user. Then we also have a newsfeed. Okay, this is a manually updated newsfeed at the moment with sentiment. Then we also added a feature where community can actually input their feelings about how the market is going, what do they feel, and they can also flag as spam if they find any spam inside the comments area. Okay, this is a screenshot of confirming the purchase, which we will show in a demo shortly as well. Then claiming incentive for the correct prediction. Okay, let me jump to a demo so that I can show you how it works. Okay, so once we connect our wallet, right, we'll be able to see what are the open markets. Okay, so for the purpose of the demo, I will create a new market as well. Okay, so I'm connected to the contract. Okay, create market. Yes. No. And then for duration, we are putting the duration in seconds. And then we'll write. Okay, so my MetaMask has actually popped up. And I will confirm the transaction. Okay, so once the transaction has gone through, I will expect to see a new market here when I connect the wallet. Yeah. So here we have the existing one, and then this is the new one. Okay, then we are able to buy yes or buy no. Okay, 0.02, confirm the transaction. Okay, once a transaction is confirmed, we can see that the number of shares here. Yeah, then the news, community. Okay, Brian, this is great. Okay, so I'm actually logged in as the admin wallet. That's why we have a little interface here, but we'll disconnect and connect with another wallet. Okay, so when we connect with the other wallet, we can buy no as well. Okay, confirm the transaction. So everything is happening in one smart contract. We are able to see immediately how is the market sentiment. Okay, then let us resolve this market. Yeah. Okay. So we will resolve the outcome as yes. Okay, so I'm just confirming MetaMask right now. Okay, so after I've resolved, right, we can see that the market has been resolved. Okay, the outcome was yes. So the connected wallet actually has nothing to claim because this actually purchased no. Then if I connect with the other wallet, then I'll be able to claim the tokens based on the market share. So claim, confirm. So once it is finished claiming, then it will show all tokens have been claimed. Yeah. Okay, so this is the end of the demo. I just have one more slide to go through. Tanya, will you be able to switch me back to the slides? Okay, yeah. So just one final slide. Okay, some future plans, right? We can see that the BNB market is actually quite simple. So some ideas that we have is to kind of like integrate a custom oracle for automatic market resolution. So you saw that the market resolution was manual for this hackathon. Then also to develop automated live news feed with sentiment analysis by AI agent. Then also develop more market categories for sports science, business technology, etc. And also to encourage user participation, it is possible that we can deploy a free token so that anyone can grab the tokens and then participate in the prediction market. Yeah. Okay, thank you. That concludes my demo and presentation.
Thanks very much. Judges, any questions?
Hey, Brian.
Hi.
So, yeah, my question is, how with Poly Market already out there, doing very well, right? How do you guys intend to penetrate the market, or perhaps grab some market share from them?
I think the area that I would want to look at will be the integration of news feeds from reliable sources as well as the AI sentiment analysis of the news sources. Then together with that community feedback, right? Hopefully this can become a good source of information. So it's not just about like predicting the market, but for like anyone who's interested in news and how things are moving in the industry in crypto to understand the information better. Yeah. So yeah, something like that. Yeah.
All right, any other questions?
I think for the token price prediction, we can use Oracle to actually decide like which sides win the bet. But for some of the more complicated event prediction, how can we like decide which of the prediction is actually right in the real world?
Yeah, for some of the more complicated one, right? I think we will have to kind of integrate with other API sources. I mean, there will be news sources that are reliable that we can tap on the API, and if not, right, technically we could also build an API for the topics that we want to work on. So if let's say it's like presidential election, so we can actually kind of like do custom updates to the Oracle in order for the Oracle to kind of like trigger the smart contract to resolve automatically. So it's kind of like building an Oracle to support it eventually.
I see. Thanks.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Brian, for sharing. And we'll move on to the next demo. So we're going to hear from Tan from CoinMaster, who is a multi-chain and product focused, who's contributed to multiple local communities. So Tan, over to you.
Hi, all right. Can you let me share my screen instead? All right, yeah. Okay. Right. So, yeah, let me just start with the issue first. So basically, there's 3 issues right now. So if I'm a user, I have no idea where to buy all BNB Chain tokens, and also how do I perform shopping on BNB Chain on Telegram. And the third one would be I'm scared to make risky trades, and I would like some AI guidance on my trades. So basically introducing our project, Coin Master. So our idea is very simple. So we actually want everyone to be the coin master, which means you are master of trading any coins, especially on BNB chain. Yeah, I would say we are DeFi on BNB. We are combining DeFi and actually AI, right? So actually, why Coin Master? And I would say it's very easy to use. And then second, I would say we would like to actually onboard people to DeFi. And the third one is like you swap easily with the AI assisted insights. Yep. So yeah, let me just straight away move on to the demo. So I will just share some screenshot here to roughly let you guys know what's our product is about. So we are actually a trading bot, and then we allow you to buy, sell, check balance, and we actually provide all the insights generated by AI. So which means you can be more careful when choosing the tokens that you want to trade. Yeah, and then we do have a trending pools option as well, including like prices of the top 10 coins, including like BTC, Solana, Doge, Cardano, all those stuff, and we provide analysis on those stuff. Yep. So just before I show my demo, maybe just let me talk about this solution architecture. So we are using this Telegram, obviously, and then we have this integrate with BNB Chain, and then we do have like integrate with like API like Gecko Terminal API, BSC Scan API, and also like CoinGecko API. So talking about business, we are actually charging like 1% of trading fees, but so far we are not implementing any fees yet because we want to get our users. So this is about business. So maybe just let me do my demo for real quick. So this is our Telegram bot. So very easy. You can just come up with this flash start, and then you see there's something coming out, and then you can just straight away click buy. So since everyone is talking about Trump right now, and my background picture is Trump, so I will just straight away go to Gecko Terminal and just copy the contract address of Trump on BNB chain, and then I just straight away paste the address. All right. Wait. Yeah, I think there's some issue, but let me just go to this trending pools, and then you can see all the trending pools out there. And then we have this token, so I will just click buy, and then it will show like the amount of BNB I want to spend, and then yeah, and then I will just buy it, and then they will give me some analysis as well. So yeah, and then there is some analysis as well, so you can based on this analysis to actually decide where you want to buy this token or not. So this is fully generated by AI. And so back to the presentation here. So you can see like we actually can buy the token over here, and then you see that you can buy and sell very easily. And then you will go through the router of the DEX, and then it will buy the token straight away. So yeah, talking about product roadmap, and then we are trying to onboard more users first and try to test our product to actually enhance our product development. And after that, we can further move on to like enhance our product offering, like especially like expand features and stuff like that, everything like that. Yeah. And after that, we will scale to onboard more users to BNB chain. I mean, that's our focus. And all right, I think our bot is live, and then do give us a follow on our Twitter as well, coinmaster underscore BNB, and also we have our website coinmaster-iota.vercel.app. If you don't mind, can take a look and try to know more about us. All right, so back to the slide here. Yeah, I think I'm done. So yeah, let me just stop sharing my screen. Yep.
I have a question. Hi, Sarah from BMJ here. What is the wallet solutions here? It's a custodial solutions, AA wallet, or what is that?
Oh yeah, it's a non-custodial solution. So basically, it's like they will generate a wallet for you, and it's like encrypted on our database. So let me share back my screen here. So basically, you can actually just export your private key. So if you look at my screen here, let me just quickly please slash start again. Yeah. So yeah, you can just straight away go to this settings here. Don't look at my private key, sorry. Yeah, so you can just copy the private key, and then you can just paste it into your MetaMask wallet and any wallet that you have. Then then uh you can just use it anyway. Yeah. Right.
So the private key for users stored in the centralized database, where it is stored, the private key.
Yeah, we store in our centralized database because it's like private information. We don't want to store it on blockchain to let everyone see or anything like that. Yeah, so it's encrypted and stored in database. We don't have access, and then we cannot see the private key as well. So it will be safe.
Except the top 20 tokens, can you also do like help users to buy tokens? Buy those tokens that has just been launched on chain, for example on BNB chains.
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Like for example, there's some like popular tokens that's just been launched on BNB chains. Is there a tool that you can
Yeah.
custom the
So yeah,
help you
yeah,
buy
I
the quick?
understand. Yeah. So basically, you can just if you want to see any like new pools, and then you can just go to that screener or maybe like Gecko terminal to find the contract address. And then once you have contract address, and then you can just copy, and then you just click buy here, and then you can just paste the token contract address. Then you can straight away buy it. Yeah, and then it will like reflect in the balance here. Yeah, you can see like I have bought some of the tokens here, and then it's on chain. Everything you can see by just pasting your wallet address. Super simple.
Hi, this is Rajiv from Framework. I was wondering if you could talk a little bit more about like how the actual analysis works, and then are you able to surface like information or insights that you wouldn't be able to find via API normally?
Yep. So actually the analysis is very simple. We actually analyze from different aspects, including like technical analysis. We analyze all the charts data, and fundamental analysis. We are actually getting the data from the API, and also like we get all those community sentiment data, developer activity data, and also we do analyze on market metrics. And then after that, we generate an analysis based on all this, and then we come up with a confidence level. So basically, you can just look at this confidence level. So for example, like if it shows like maybe sell, the confidence is like 70%, which means that you should not buy this token right now, and then you should sell instead. And then we analyze all this data, and then we come up with a conclusion through the AI. And then we come up with this analysis, and then the users and just quickly check on it and like come up with a decision. So I mean, in the future, we can definitely add more data, such as like token contract security data, because this is very important in a contract address side. So you want to see whether the developer want to route you or not. And then I would say token contract security is mainly one of our focus right now, and we will implement it in a very near future. Yeah, I would say these are all the data that we actually analyze and come up with a conclusion.
So I have a quick question about the AI analysis. I'm just wondering, which AI model are you using? How can you guarantee the analysis is as as precise as possible? For example, how do you crawl the data from the internet? How can you analyze the in the AI model is working to do the analysis?
Yep. Our AI model that we use is actually Llama, so which is like developed by Facebook. And then I believe, based on our research, we think Llama is so much better compared compared to other models like maybe GPT. Yeah, I mean, they do have a better one, but we just choose Llama first. And what we do is that we feeding all this data that we got from the API or maybe outside, and then we put this data and feed into this AI, and then it come out with a conclusion. So I would say AI is mainly based on the input of your data. If your input of your data is like not really great, I believe your output wouldn't be great as well. So we already make sure that the data that we feed into our AI is accurate, and then our output would be so much. Our output will be good as well. So yeah, this is the answer.
Yep. You mentioned about having database encryption for the wallets. So how are you dealing with client-side decryption to get the wallet private key?
Yep. So basically, you can use. So our approach is we use public key to actually encrypt the. We using like SHA-256, and then we encrypt the this private key using public key, and then on the client side we actually decrypt it using like our public key as well. Yeah. So yeah, something like this. Yes.
Got it. Thanks.
All right.
Thank you very much. We'll just hit time now, so we'll move on. But yeah, great. Thank you for your sharing. Moving on to Kunal, who is a full stack Web3 developer from Doubt-Earn.
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Kunal Guna, and here I am today going to present my project Doubt-Earn, a decentralized answer to earn platform which is built on BNB Smart Chain. This will be my presentation outline, and we are a team of 3 members: me, my team lead, and my blockchain developer. So the problem is traditional Q&A platforms like Quora or Stack Overflow have 3 major issues. No financial rewards. Contributors spend hours answering but receive nothing in return. No expert incentives. Top professionals have little motivations to engage. And low answer quality and duplicate answers. Users often see fabricated or copied responses. Now, Doubtner solves these problems by making knowledge sharing decentralized, trustless, and rewarding. Users can post questions with the BNB bounty rewards. Experts can answer questions and earn crypto when selected. And smart contracts automate these payments, ensuring instant transferless rewards. And there is also one other feature, that is the hidden answer feature. Answers are only visible to the question creator until a winner is selected, preventing fabricated and duplicate responses. And This is the homepage of our product. Some of its key features are it is a decentralized Q&A. The rewards are tokenized. The records are immutable. Also, some other features are you can modify and delete the question and get the refund if you are deleting a question, if there are no answers present on that question right now. We are also providing tag-based filtering and searching. Users can filter questions by topic, category, or bounty size. And there is also, I mentioned previously, the hidden answer system to prevent the duplicate and fabricated responses. So this is the architecture of my project. First, the Doubtern's users take their BNB as a bounty reward. If no answers are posted, user can edit or delete the questions and get a full refund. Contributors submit their responses, which are hidden from other users to prevent duplicates. And the bounty is automatically transferred to the winner via smart contract when the best answer is selected by the question owner. And this ensures secure, fair, and rewarding knowledge exchange powered by blockchain. Now I want to showcase my demo. So I will share my other screen. Yes. So this is my demo of the project. This is the home page. As you can see, there are 3 questions right now on the project. Let's see this question I have just now generated 29 minutes ago. These are the tags. And when I generated this question, I filled this type of form, and I submitted the point 0.1 price, point 0.1 BNB bounty fee for generating this question. And if I click on this question, I will be able to see the question details where other users can add their answers. And let's say this is one of the questions which has two answers, and one is the winner, which was declared by the question owner, and he got the point 0.1 prize fee. And now this is one of the question where I can showcase that this question was not made by me. This was made by some other account. That's why I'm not able to see the answer which was given by this account. So I cannot duplicate his answer. And only the one which gives the correct answer or the most proficient answer, which the question owner likes, will only get the reward. And I can also showcase from my different account how any users give their answer. Let's say I will open my second account and click on add answer. I can answer something and submit. And some transaction will appear. I'll confirm the transaction. Right now, we are charging only 3% service fee for creating a question, not for answering the question. And as you can see, even my question is also hidden for me. But if I change my account to the question creator account, I'll be able to see what he has given in the answer. Yes. And I can select if I want to pay him. And if I click on the pay now button, the 0.1 price will be transferred to the answer account. Now moving on to my PPT again. Can you share my PPT again? Yes. So these are some of the demo screenshots. The tech stack I have used is Next.js, Solidity, and BNB Smart Chain. And let's move on to the marketing potential. Doubtness is built using the tech stack that I mentioned before, which ensures a scalable and secure ecosystem. Uh, we have marketing potential in the edtech market, which is a 400 billion plus market, and blockchain powered education is growing fast. We are also having 5.4 billion plus blockchain education sector by 2028, and millions of students and professionals are looking for a better learning solution. So Doubtnut can help them. In the future scope, in the last, I can say that we have exciting plans to expand Doubtnut, including AI-powered answered verification to detect spam and ensure quality responsive. A mobile app expanding accessibility with a user-friendly mobile version, and multi-currency support, enabling bounties in different cryptocurrencies. And also, last, the DAO governance, that is the community-driven decision making for platform improvements, which will ensure the Doubtnut keeps evolving to meet user needs. And at the end, I have provided all the links to check out my GitHub demo video, README, and everything else. Thank you for your time. I'm happy to take any questions regarding the project.
Yeah, how your platform deals with malicious question owners, a question owner that receives a correct answer but does not pay the user that provided the answer, for example.
Right now, for malicious questioning answering, we are only doing one thing, that is, we are just using the reentrancy guard in our Solidity contracts for if they are going to spam our question. But afterwards, we are going to use the AI model for detecting if the question is really something spam. And also, the questions, we can also insert a type of incentive or service fee for answering question in our next version, where the user will need to give some fee, small fee, so that they will be incentivized to give a proper answer. Otherwise, their fees will be slashed, and the AI will check if their answer is correct or not.
Awesome. Thanks.
Any other questions?
All right, perfect. If no other questions, we will move on. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having me.
All right, thank you. Next, and the last one before we take a short break, we are going to hear from the Operations Director, Fallon from Outrun.
Okay, cool. So let me check. Okay. So Outrun is a pioneer of the next generation of DeFi and Web3 industries. So it contains 4 modules: Outstake, Outswap, and FF Launch, and Memeverse. So start from the FF Launch. It's a truly community-driven token financing paradigm, and it's designed for startup teams. And for the Memeverse, it's a meme coin launchpad based on FF Launch's philosophy, and it focuses on MemeFi and creator economy. And FF Launch and Memeverse is the entry point for user traffic. And our Outswap is a DEX module with innovative improvements like on-chain referral commission engine, and supports trading of assets from Outstake, FF Launch, and Memeverse. So our Outstake acts as a yield-bearing asset infrastructure and cornerstone of the ecosystem. So let's go detail to the Outstake module first. And Outstake is a new staking model based on yield-bearing tokens. Users can stake yield-bearing assets like STETH in Outstake to mint UPT, YT, and POT. And YT is the first non-USD stablecoin model tied to yield rates. And UPT is a universal principal token, and each type of UPT can be converted from multiple PTs supported by the same underlying assets. A POT represents the redemption right of a locked position at maturity. It allows holders to destroy a fixed number of POT and PT to redeem the constant principal value of the position at maturity. So let's compare it with Pendo. Our PT-YT tokens have no expiration time, enabling better composability and flexibility for users. Our fixed rate yields come directly from interest rate option trading, not from PT's negative premium like Pendo's model. And our YT value is directly related to the yield of the yield-bearing token and is not affected by protocol incentive points. So next, Outswap's first product is called Outrun AMM. It introduces several innovative improvements on this foundation. The main feature is the native referral commission engine. It's a fully on-chain native referral commission engine, and it's completely permissionless and decentralized. Any third party can integrate and build referral services. It is seamlessly compatible with DEX aggregators and trading protocols. The referral commission is sourced from 20% of the protocol fee, ensuring a sustainable revenue stream without impacting LP providers or traders. And next is our FF launch. We are the first fair and free launchpad for startups, eliminating traditional ICO and IDO risks. It can conduct on-chain fundraising before the token listing while without unlocking the tokens. Instead, use POL, as an alternative. You can refer to the documentation for detail of the POL. And next is our Mimiverse. Mimiverse is an omnichain Mimi launchpad based on Ledger Zero and FF Launch's design principle. It has all the advantages of FF Launch. We introduced Mincoin staking, so users can deposit their Mincoin into Mincoin ERC4626 vaults to mint yield-bearing tokens based on Mincoin. The vault's revenue primarily comes from the Mincoin portion of the locked liquidity market-making income. So while the yield-bearing tokens based on Mincoin can be restaking on can do restaking on Outstake, further amplify their DeFi potential and network effect. So let me show you the advantages of Mimiverse compared to Pump.Fund. So first, our creators' revenue comes from market-making profits of locked liquidity instead of Pump.Fund's front-running practices. Second, while Pump.Fund struggles with severe liquidity issue and high price collapse risks, Mimiverse ensures robust liquidity that's typically 10 to 100 times higher through our innovative market-driven approach. So third, we have completely eliminated major risks like insider trading and rug pull through our POL mechanism. Then Pump.Fund only provide token insurance function. Our Mimiverse offers Mincoin creation with innovative yield generating features. And next is our future plans. We are gonna launch POT trading market for interest rate option trading, and also we are about to upgrading our AMM to V2, and also some social stuff, building decentralized social products to revolutionize the creator economy. So each step builds on our success while expanding into new DeFi frontiers. So that's it. And you can also go to this outrun front end and .vercel.app to see the front end app. So any questions?
Any comments or questions from the judges? If not, we will leave it there for a short break of about 5 minutes. So we will come back at about 5 to 6. Thank you.
Let me introduce you to Paid1. Imagine a world where employees never have to worry about delayed salaries. Freelancers
Hi everyone, welcome back. To kick off the second part of the demo day, we are going to be hearing from Vaibhav, who is pursuing BTech in computer science and is the founder of PayNova. So Vaibhav, over to you. Vaibhav, you're on mute. I'm not sure if... No, yeah, that's you now.
Let me introduce you all to PayNova. Imagine a world where employees never have to worry about delayed salaries. Freelancers receive payments instantly, and companies can manage payroll with complete transparency. No intermediaries, no delays, no stress. This is not just a dream, this is PayNova. Traditional payroll systems are riddled with challenges that impact both employers and employees. First, there is data privacy. Third-party payroll platforms have access to sensitive company payroll data, posing significant privacy risks. Next, centralized systems themselves are a problem. They are slow, prone to errors, and act as single point of failure. Delayed payouts are another major issue, especially during weekends, bank holidays, or system downtimes, leaving employees waiting for their salaries. When it comes to global payroll, expensive cross-border payouts make it inefficient and costly due to intermediaries like SWIFT. Transparency is another pain point. Employees often don't have visibility into how their salaries are calculated, leading to mistrust. Finally, unbanked workers, over 1.4 billion adults globally, are excluded from payroll systems entirely because they lack access to traditional banking. These challenges highlight the urgent need for a better solution, and that's where PayNova comes in. PayNova is a decentralized payroll protocol built on blockchain technology designed to address these challenges head on. Let me walk you through its key features. First, security and data privacy are at the core of PayNova. PayNova will encrypt company payroll data, ensuring it remains secure, tamper-proof, and accessible only to authorized parties, eliminating risk associated with third-party access. We use smart contracts to automate payroll processes, eliminating manual errors. With PayNova, timely automated payments are guaranteed.
Finally, PayNova is scalable and flexible, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from startups to multinational enterprises. We also focus on inclusion of the unbanked by supporting decentralized wallets, allowing workers without bank accounts to access payroll systems. Complete payment transparency ensures that both employers and employees have full visibility into every transaction. For global teams, instant and low-cost payments make cross-border transactions seamless and affordable, bypassing intermediaries. In short, PayNova is more than a payroll system, it's a comprehensive solution for modern businesses. Let me show you how it works. So that's how PayNova works. Now let's talk about the market opportunity. The global payroll market is massive, valued at over $10 billion annually and growing rapidly. With the rise of remote work, there is a surging demand for cross-border payroll solutions that are efficient and cost-effective. At the same time, 1.4 billion unbanked adults globally represent a huge untapped market that PayNova can empower by providing access to payroll systems. The blockchain and DeFi markets are also booming, with the decentralized finance market projected to reach 231 billion by 2030. PayNova's decentralized scalable approach is uniquely positioned to capture this market and address these growing demands. Now, what's next for PayNova? Looking ahead, our roadmap focuses on both product and business development. On the product side, we are introducing on-chain AI agents to enhance user experience by automating processes seamlessly. We are integrating AI-powered KYC to verify user identities in seconds, ensuring compliance and security. And we are implementing zero-knowledge proofs to protect sensitive employee data with advanced privacy technology. On the business side, our immediate focus is on product development and testing. We plan to onboard initial users to gather feedback and refine the platform. We also launch pilot program with enterprises to validate real-world use cases and build trust in our solution. Finally, we will be fostering community engagement, to create a vibrant PayNova ecosystem and drive adoption. Our ultimate vision is to transform payroll into a seamless, decentralized experience for businesses and employees worldwide. PayNova is not just a payroll solution, it's a revolution in how businesses manage payroll and how employees receive their hard-earned money. This is just the beginning. I'm committed to building this idea further, refining the protocol, and expanding its capabilities. Currently, I'm seeking grants to accelerate development and bring this solution to the market. Join us in building a transparent, inclusive, and efficient future for payroll. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Judges, any questions or comments?
Yeah, I have one. So congrats for the project, pretty interesting. And I'd like to hear more about your specific use case for zero-knowledge proofs.
We will be implementing zero-knowledge proofs to verify the employees. And then there is one thing that companies don't want, that they have to reveal how much salary they are paying to whom. So what can I say? That one employee should not be knowing that what is the salary of another employee at the same position. So for that encryption, we are trying to integrate zero knowledge proofs. We are working on it. We did it yet, so that's why it's a future aspect. So we are thinking how we can implement this privacy thing, but these are the ideas which I'm having to implement in this PayNova.
Awesome, thanks.
Any other questions? Okay, if not, thank you very much, Vaibhav, and we will move on now. to hear from Web3 Precious, who's a seasoned Web3 researcher and community manager, who will be doing a demo for them.
Hello everyone, GM, BNB Chain, Sarah, Alex, James, Lorenzo, Rajiv, Kunal. Welcome to Quintus, a decentralized peer-to-peer prediction market, where you place a bet and invite your friends to stake a wager on a given outcome. We have fixed the majority of the problems encountered in other prediction markets, both betting and gambling spaces, but both the ones that are centralized and decentralized. Such as scams, restriction, technical barriers, lack of transparency, and high fees. The prediction market, sport betting, and DeFi integration in all this is growing like wildfire, and we have seen a growth in DeFi expansion from $1 billion to $200 billion since 2019 to 2023, based on our research and sources from Market and Market, Business Wire, CoinGecko, and other platforms. We don't have competitors because the people trying to solve these problems, such as poly markets, has faced issues of lack of transparency, awarding the wins to the highest bidder rather than the winners of the predicted outcome. We don't have such problem because we use SportDB as our data source at the moment and Anthropic Cloud Haiku model to pass the data and get the correct outcome with mobile-friendly UX, low fees, and transparency. We are just centered on sports for now and plan to expand to diverse markets. With viral social media marketing and collaboration, our long-term goal is to dominate the prediction markets with global partnership, aggressive marketing campaign, and expand market categories. We have a team of outstanding professionals in their field. Now let's go to the website so I can give you a demo of how Quintus works. Thank you very much. Okay, so basically on the website I have created I've logged in already using my wallet that's it's connected already. So these are the bets placed by users that are testing the our website Quintus Markets placed by users, and these are markets placed by users. So let me go search for one and so that I can check. So Chelsea, let's see, Chelsea. Okay, so this one was placed by a particular user, Chelsea versus Bonamount EPL fixtures the 14th of this month, and this is the bet deadline, and then this is the resolution start time where the time for the match can be resolved, the whole rewards can be resolved, and then the particular user that created this market, he created two outcomes. The first outcome is for anybody to win, be it Chelsea or Bournemouth, and then the second outcome is for a draw. And as you can see, bets were placed on both, and we can see draw won because Chelsea versus Bournemouth had a draw that particular day. So let me show you an example of how to place a bet on the platform. So let me look for a recent game, probably one occurring today, and then place a bet on it. So let's see. So we have Monaco versus Aston Villa. So let me click on it. Monaco versus Aston Villa. I think it was created by a user also. Created by a user, yeah. So this is the bet deadline, and this is the time, resolution time. The match will be resolved. So let's see. Bet has been placed already. We have bets for Monaco to win. We have no bet has been placed for Aston Villa. So let me just place the bet for Aston Villa. I select outcome. I go to Aston Villa and I click my bet amount, probably 0.05 BNB, tested BNB, and then I place a bet and I confirm on my wallet. I'm confirming. So your bet has been placed successfully. So if I refresh the site, you will notice that our bet has been placed. You see it there with the outcomes and with the other bets being placed. And so now we are going to create a market. How do you create a market? Okay. So we can see Aston Villa 0.05. This was the bet I just created right now. So this is the title of the match, probably Chelsea versus Bournemouth. It has to contain the names of the two teams that are playing, and then the description. It can be EPL and the date. So EPL and the date. So then we have categories. For now, we are sticking to the sports category. So for now, we are just sticking to the sports category. So we put category, click on sports because although we have plans to expand, that's why you notice that there are a lot of options here. So we have plans to expand. We're working on it. For the outcomes, two outcomes here, but you can add as high as five outcomes. That's the maximum outcome you can add. Five outcomes. Then we have our bet deadline. It is recommended that the bet deadline should be 1 hour before the match. And then the resolution deadline, at least the space between the bet deadline and the resolution deadline should be 3 hours. So that the resolution deadline, the start time for the resolution is just when people can come and resolve the market and get their wins. Then this is where we make money from the bet creation fee, and then we click on create market. That's all. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
judges.
So any question?
Yes, thank you. Any questions, judges? Okay, cool. Thank you again for sharing. Have a great day, and we will move on to the next one. Thanks, Louis. So next we're hearing from Priyanshu, who is a full stack Web 2 and Web 3 developer from Rhythm.
Hi, good evening, everyone. So we all know Web3 projects are everywhere and they are doing great. But we all can agree on something that endless wallets, maintaining multiple wallets and confusing jargons, tokens here, coins there, it can be a lot and it can overwhelm the newbies or the new users coming to shifting from Web2 ecosystem to the Web3 ecosystem. So we made Rhythm Mural. Basically, it's a Web3 project that's all about creativity, music, and simplicity. So Rhythm Mural is a generative AI music mural telegram mini app. It's like a music contest runs every day with a unique music theme and which inspire fresh and creative submissions every day. So basically, users can just easily craft unique prompts and create one of a kind music directly from their mobile phones. And they can interact seamlessly using their in Telegram wallet for all the transactions and actions. Users can also browse through all the awesome music created by the community on the today's theme. For example, today's theme can be anything. Users can also choose and vote for the submission that they think best fits the theme for that day. At the end of the day, the tracks with the most votes are selected as the winners, and the creators of the top tracks are rewarded for their creativity and effort. The winner tracks also gets pinned to the murals, showcasing the best music of the theme and slowly building a vibrant collection of creative music. So, for all the music enthusiasts, there is a mural building up as the contest passes. So is it pretty simple? Yep, but there's more to it. So the winning tracks for each day can be minted as NFTs by the voters who helped the track win. So basically, the voters who voted for a track and that track wins for that day. That music can be minted as NFT by those voters. Plus, the voters who back the winning track also gets a share of the prize money, which encourages thoughtful voting and makes sure everyone has a stake in the outcome. Also, the prize distribution for all the winners is dynamic. That is, the number of votes is directly proportional to the prize they will get. So Rhythm Mural is the perfect space for music lovers, blockchain enthusiasts to create, discover, and have fun, all while being a part of a rewarding community. So I'll present you the live demo now, I guess. Can we have the demo screen? Yep. So basically, users can launch the Rhythm Mural from their phone. They can connect the wallet from the Telegram wallet directly without having to manage any external wallet. So this is today's theme. So basically the theme is open and the contest ends in 24 hours. So basically there is total submissions are 0 for now. That's why the theme is open. Let's create the first submission for today by choosing a very unique prompt like me. Maybe I wanted to type lo-fi music. It takes average around 40 seconds for computing and creating the music based on the prompt. Let's wait for it to generate the track. Yes, so let's try again with this prompt only. Let me change the network. Give me a second. I guess I am having a network issue from this phone. Okay, I guess it worked with my network. Finally. So it usually doesn't take that much time. Maybe I forgot to switch my network. Let's hope the internet works. So we can just generate several tracks and select the track which we think is the best. There we have our uploaded track. we will have the transaction popped up. We can have several submissions for the music mural. So the theme automatically is set to chill wave with the help of AI. It's based on the first submission for that day. So as we had lo-fi music, the theme was set to chill wave. Now let's vote for music. Basically, the community can vote for all the music, but for now, let's vote it. You have already, I guess, the transaction. I guess there were 2 transactions already done with the wallet. So as for now, the contest will end in 23 hours. So let me end it manually with the smart contract. In the original one, I am using Chainlink keepers to have and create the contest every day. So the contest got ended. So the next contest has started and it will end in 24 hours. This is our submission which won because eventually there was only one submission. We can mint the NFT because we were the one to vote it. We can see all the details like the payout to the voters. Voter shares is actually very less, so it's approximates to 0. We can mint the NFT. Okay, let me share the screen to show you guys the NFT in the wallet. Can we have the screen, my other screen? So basically this was the NFT we minted. Let's import it in our MetaMask wallet. So token ID 5. So this was the NFT that we have minted, and we can also transfer it to someone else or trade it. A person can only mint this NFT a single time. So that was it from my side. Basically, that was how Rhythm Mural work. It's supposed to be very simple, and people can come every day. Music enthusiasts can create unique prompts and craft unique music, and that's how they can be part of a rewarding community. And a mural gets build up as a contest passes days. So that's it from my side.
Great, thank you. Judges, any questions?
Hi, this is Rajiv. When it comes to the voting, how do you make sure that creators don't civil voting for themselves?
Okay, so basically, creators can vote that one, but I don't think it will have any impact. Basically, a creator will have to pay some fee for to vote, a transaction fee. I don't think anyone will pay money to have a single extra vote for them. Or also on the home screen we can see that a user cannot see the number of votes for the submission or the prompt for that submission. So I don't think anyone will be just like take a bet to have to pay several transaction fees or gas fee to just have a one or two extra votes. That's what I think of this.
Okay, I think we've got time for
a person can vote in single time, so a creator will have only a single vote for them. So.
Okay, cool. I think we've got time for one more question, if anyone has one. No? Okay, perfect. Thank you, Priyanshu, for your demo, and have a good day. We'll move on to the last demo of today's session, which is from Starbridge. So we'll be hearing from Upayemu, who is a full stack developer with around 2 years experience making applications on blockchain.
Thank you very much. Hello, everyone, and I'm here to present my project for the hackathon, Starbridge. And the goal of Starbridge is to be the official bridge between Telegram and the Binance chains, which is the BSC chain and also the OP BNB chain. So our aim is simple. It's just to simplify the access to crypto and to promote blockchain adoption, specifically focusing on enhancing the growth of the Web3 presence on Telegram. And then we can see who our target users are. Our target users are basically the 950 million monthly users on Telegram. Also the receivers of stars who might win stars or be gifted stars, Telegram stars from their friends, and they want a way to monetize it to be able to actually use their Telegram stars. The last target users will be Telegram mini app developers, because most of these developers, they want their users to be able to have some crypto of what sort to be able to make use of their dApps on Telegram. Starbridge will be able to onboard their users to have this crypto by just exchanging their Telegram stars to actual crypto that they can use on their apps. So this diagram is very simple, but that also shows how simple it is to actually use the Starbridge system. So Starbridge, basically, users pass in an amount of stars to the Telegram bot, and the bot then returns the exact amount of crypto that the user needs from our vault contract, which exists on both the Binance Smart Chain and the OP BNB chain as well. So I would like to show a little demo on how this works if I can get my screen share to be shown. Thank you. Thank you very much. So right here is the Telegram side where we can see the bots. So if we want to use the bot, we can use the start command, where we're welcomed, and then we see the commands. We would like to focus on the wallet command, where we can actually set up our crypto wallets. So once you click on the wallet command, it says that we have already set up a wallet on this account. So you can basically add a new wallet, that's to update it, or to remove a wallet. So let's see what crypto is currently in this wallet. We'll check on both the OP BNB scan and the BSC testnet chain. So we see this wallet right here only has about 0.3 USDT, while the wallet has 0.2 and 0.143 on the BSC chain. So now let's go through the process of actually getting crypto. So we use the buy command, and then you pass in the amount of stars that you would like to actually use. So let's say we'd want to spend 10 stars. Nice. We've seen the base amount of 10 stars, which is around $0.13. We are not making the service fee to show since this is a test, but this is the net amount the user is meant to get. Then you can choose the chain where you want to receive crypto on. So we choose the Binance Smart Chain. We choose the token. Let us say we want to top up USDT. Nice. We see a summary of the whole transaction where we're expecting to get USDT on the Binance Smart Chain to our wallet, and this is the USD value. So we just need to make the payments, and then we can confirm and pay. It's taking the stars, processing, and boom, it's done. Where we can then get the transaction hash. And boom, we see right here, as the summary showed, $0.13, 0.13 USDT has been sent to this address. Hopefully we should see this balance updates. And they did. So that is how basic it is. So users can then come again, let me get 5 stars worth of crypto on OP BNB USDT. They pay. Simple. We wait for a second. Doesn't take much long. And boom, it's completed. Then they can also check for the transaction. It gives it a while. And yeah, right there, 0.65, which is exactly what was summarized. So that's all for the sharing. I would like to go back to the slides. All right, thank you. So now I would like to talk about the monetization strategy. We are planning on getting a 2% and 1% transaction fee for each purchase. This is based on how large your purchase is. We'd also like to have a referral program where even the Telegram mini apps are going to be able to refer their customers to use the app, and every referral, they actually get part of the transaction fee. We also hopefully would have partnerships with different protocols who would like to onboard their users using the bots to maybe purchase their tokens or make other payments on chain. Then these are the future visions and features we are planning on. So we hope to extend more token support past just the stable coins we have. Maybe we could go into meme coins or even the native tokens. We have a lot to do on the community building side where we can actually gain users to the platform, people who would actually give us feedback as well for extra features. And then some features that I am really happy to work on future is on-chain purchases with stars. So maybe some users do not want to actually have a crypto wallet or crypto tokens, but they still want to buy NFTs. They will be able to do so with their stars, using the stars as currency, and the bot being that middleman between them and the marketplace like OpenSea. Another interesting feature would be Star is Gas, where users can actually run transactions on chain using stars instead of actual BNB gas. Let's say you want to maybe swap some currencies, but you do not have the native gas. You'll be able to use stars to actually pay for gas on that transaction. So these are some of the future features we would like to work on. And thank you very much. That's the end of my presentation.
Brilliant, thank you. Judges, any questions? Okay, if not, that concludes all of the demos today. Thank you, OPME, for your demo, and thank you all for participating in the BNB Hack 2024 for Q4. We are excited to announce that more hackathons will be coming soon, and we encourage you to join. Not being selected for Demo Day does not exclude you from the chance to win part of the $10,000 prize pool. So honorable mentions are picked independently and will be announced with the top 3 winners soon. So make sure that you follow BNB Chain on all of our social channels like X and Telegram, etc., to keep up to date with everything to do with the hackathon and up to date with everything that's going on within the ecosystem as well. And thank you again to our judges and for everyone that presented today. See you next time. Thanks.